guys, so I opened my Animal Jam today, and there was an update. Look at this. So I'm just now reading it as we speak. So August 15th is the Natural Honeybee Day. Celebrate honeybees in style by picking up all the cool accessories and den items, and be sure to check out all the the fun facts around Jamal. That's cool. Let's see. Pet honeybees. Aww. Oh my gosh, look at these little pet honeybees. Pet honeybees have come to Jamal, and they are for all jammers. They're for all jammers. Oh, they're even for non-members. It's so cute. Click to the adopt button or on any of the honeybee facts. Get your very own flying pet honeybee. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Den items connect. Now let's see. That's very cool. There's like a movie theater den and like a enchanted looking and golden. So, have you ever wanted to help choose the next set of awesome den items that will come to Jamal? Now you can. Do you want to fill your den with a glitchy gear? Or perhaps you want to turn your den into a cool movie theater or a unique steampunk parlor. Steampunk parlor. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Click the button to blow to vote. Okay, let's vote. Let's see. Glitchy gear. Oh, I think I'm gonna vote the movie theater set. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. Let's see what else is here. Beta party? Oh my gosh! This is so awesome! Beta party! It's a beta party! I just spit all over my screen. Okay. Okay, you are invited to the beta party. Come to relive the early days of Jamal and see what Animal Jam was like during beta testing. During beta testing period. And while you're having a blast from the past, we're sure to pick up some exclusive. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Okay, have you heard the great news, jammers? Snow leopards will be returning soon. Oh, there's a little video. I don't normally watch videos, but let's see. Aww. That's so sad. Aww. That is so cute. Aww. Oh, that is so cute. What else is here? Oh, it's nothing. That is so cute, guys. Oh, yay, 500. I'm so happy. So let's see. Yeah, why? And bye-bye. I don't know. But, I need to explain something to my boyfriend. Don't ask why I have an Animal Jam boyfriend. Please don't judge me. Hang on. Let's go back here. Maybe it hasn't been on yet. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna go see. Is the beta party open? Guys, I'm definitely gonna do a video on the beta party. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited. Guys, this is like the best thing that ever happened. So let me go. I want a bee pet. That's gonna be cute. Oh, Bumblebee, they're so cute. He has a little bumblebee. See it. I'm definitely gonna get one. I need to go get one. Oh, they're so darn cute. Aww. They're so cute. Look how cute. Little pet bumblebee. Ah, I need to see what pet stuff. What little accessories they have in store for a little quick bee. Oh, they have a little head flower. Kitty ears. That's so cute. That is so cute. I'm definitely doing this. That is so cute. Yay. Aww. I'm so excited for the beta party. Guys, this is so exciting. This is awesome, a beta party. I'm gonna go tell people in July. Okay. OMG. Pet Bumble. Oops. Bumblebees. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, look, he matches his pet bumblebee. Oh, he must be new because all he has is pet bumblebee. Look how cute. Oh, he's so cute. I'm so excited for the pet bumblebee. Look how cute they are. Oh, he looks like me. Isn't that strange? She looks like me, like she has her head in. I don't care. Anyway. Oh, look, the little pet bumblebee is so cute. Now Zoe. I need to delete someone. That fuzzy star. Wait, I got a message from him, didn't I? Oh well. Hi. Little cute cute. He's so cute. I'm gonna turn into my wolf. I like my wolf. My wolf is great. She looks like shrimp. Just kidding. I'm so excited for these pet bumblebees, guys. They're so cute. They're so cute. I'm just excited for a better party. He was on, yeah, he's gone. Oh, maybe there's a little accessory then. I'm gonna check out the accessories. Oh, there's like bumblebee stuff. The pink and black one would be really cool. Aww. That's so cute. That is so cute. I love this little guy. Trade me headdress for a raccoon song. I don't want to. So guys, this has been awesome. I'm so excited for the beta party. Let me know what you think about it. Bye.